Hey guys, welcome to Dudes and Tools. Now, this is a quick tutorial on how to create your own hazard lights. Now I'm just gonna show you a demo of how it works. So it doesn't come with a lot of patterns like the ones in the market do, but it is low cost. It just costed me 250 rupees, whereas the ones in the market, the ones in eBay cost 1600 to 2000 rupees. So I'm going to show you how to do it and the parts you need to do it. So let's get to it, shall we? Now this is everything that you're going to need to complete this build. A switch that you can mount on the handlebar, a screwdriver to fix this switch, some tape, some zip ties, a wire stripper and some spare wire. So this switch here is the most important part of the build. It is a switch that you can mount on the handlebar. It costed me around 100 rupees and I'll put a link in the description below. Just check it out. Now you can also buy it at a local store if you find one. So first step, remove the pillion seat. Under the seat you will find the fuse box. You need to get that out. There's a small pin holding this lock. Just use a key to press it down and pull it out. Okay, once that is out, you'll find another cable that runs below that, and if you pull it out, you'll find a connector. Now this here is the alarm system connector, and you will notice that it has a dummy plug to it, and some of the wires are shorted or interconnected. Now I found out that in the top row, the pin 2 and 3, if you connect those two, it closes the circuit between the left and the right indicator. So if you put a switch in between these lines, and whenever you turn on your indicator and turn on the switch that connects these two, both the indicators will blink. So that is the basic principle on which we are working now. Now let me show you what I mean. See, now I'm turning on the left indicator and I'm gonna short the pin 2 and 3 using this wire. Now you see when these two are shorted out, both the indicators are blinking. So connect a switch between these two lines and you're good to go. Now find a suitable place to mount your switch. For me, what suited was on the left side of the handlebar. Since on the right side there is a disconnect master cylinder, I couldn't mount the switch there. The accessibility was low, so I chose to mount it here. Run the wire through wherever you want your switch to go. It will be slightly on the way of the phone mount here, but I don't think that will be an issue. So I have ran it down here, used a zip tie, and it runs down here, runs down through this tube, comes out through here, and I have brought it down here. So now I have to connect these two here. See, now I bought the wire to the connector and joined the two. I'll just tape these two. And you're done. Now let's check it. So that's the left indicator. Right. Switched off. Anyone? Make sure to clean up the zip ties. Now keep this switch in the off position always. Only when you are using the hazard lights, switch this on, or else you will be using this indicator and nobody will be knowing where you're going. So that's it guys. Have a nice build. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.